how to dispute a charge on Sky Mobile bill online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your sky.com and then make sure that you're logged into your account, right? So in here, you can actually simply tap on the sign in option right here and sign into your account. Then after successfully signing into your account, you can actually tap on your menu bar on the top left corner there, and then from there you can actually get into your account details, and then from there you can get bills and payment, and then in there you can select the specific bill to view your itemized charge. Then you can use the online messaging service or helpline in order to report the error that you are facing. In their website, you can again tap on that menu bar right here, and then from there you can tap on help right here, and then from your help option you can actually simply get to contact them. You can actually tap on this pop-up that you'll be able to see in order to chat to Sky Assistant 2. Here you can see you can actually chat with their virtual assistant, or you can actually like call their customer support. I'm pretty sure that way you'll be able to dispute the charge on Sky Mobile bill online.